The combination of crunchy kataifi, creamy pistachio filling, and rich chocolate creates an unforgettable taste and texture.
Crumble in my hand, green and gold surprise, one bite, then you smile. Sugar in your eyes, shell snap, soft inside, rich and silky slow.
Welcome! Today we're making the famous Dubai Chocolate Pistachio Dessert. We'll need rich milk chocolate paste and crispy toasted kataifi pastry. Let's begin creating this irresistible dessert. Pistachios are rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help support overall health.
The combination of crunchy kataifi, creamy pistachio filling, and rich chocolate creates an unforgettable taste and texture.
Then you wanted some Dubai chocolate, Dubai chocolate, pistachio dessert, pistachio dessert. Crunch and melt, I want that first bite again. Dubai chocolate, Dubai chocolate. Wrapped up like a gift, gone before you
Now, spoon the pistachio and kataifi mixture. Press it down gently to level it.
You call it just a snack.
Now, we seal the bar with the remaining chocolate.
One tray
Use a spatula to smooth the surface.
turns into a bloom, droop on the spoon. Feel that velvet wave, sweet on sweet. That's the way you crave. Little crack, big rush, right on the tongue. Say it once.
The combination of crunchy kataifi, creamy pistachio filling, and rich chocolate creates an unforgettable taste and texture. Remember, this dessert is still a sweet treat. Enjoying it in moderation lets you appreciate its delicious flavor while benefiting from ingredients like pistachios and dark chocolate. Quality ingredients, mindful portions, Dubai Chocolate Pistachio Dessert to treat yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.